Pumpkin dump cake. Start with 30 ounces of pumpkin puree. Oh, come on, plop out of there.
Jiggle that thing.
Okay, once we got that out there, we have 16 ounces of evaporated milk that we're going to pour into it. And then we have 1 cup of sugar. We're going to dump in there. And then finally, we got a little pumpkin spice from Trader Joe's. If you don't have a Trader Joe's, you can get it at Walmart or wherever else you get your stuff. Do it at your discretion. And then we're going to mix that all together. All right, get that stirred up a little bit. And finally, we're going to add 4 eggs into the mix. All right, now you got the eggs in there. We're going to mix all that together. Probably easier if you beat it before. That's looking good. All right, now that we have that stirred up, we're going to pour this into our 13 by 9 baking dish. Just pour it into the bottom.
That's some good liquid right there.
Some great liquid. I just love that pumpkin spice smell. All right, once we got that on there, we're going to take a butter yellow cake mix and we're going to sprinkle it over the top.
And you just leave it on the top like that?
Yep, just leave it on the top.
No mixing.
No mixing, you just dump it. That's why it's called a dump cake. And then we got some chopped pecans. All right, now that we got those on there, we're gonna take some sliced butter. We got some thin sliced, well, I sliced it. It didn't come like this.
They should start making it where it's sliced.
That would be nice. I might pay extra 50 cents for that. So I ain't gotta do it.
How much would y'all pay for sliced butter?
All right, these two are sticking together, so they're just gonna be twins, just like your baby boys. So we're just gonna layer these butter all over the top. Now you want to try to make sure and cover all the areas, otherwise you're gonna have some dry spots. And if you've made a dump cake before, you know what I'm talking about.
Now, will the liquid at the bottom, will it just mix in, or what will happen to it?
It's gonna harden a little bit, but this is gonna be more of a moist cake.
Okay.
Cut real quick. And here's our last one. We're gonna put it right here. All right, y'all, so we got the oven preheated at 350. We're gonna put it in there for 1 hour.
Okay.
1 hour, y'all. All right, let's take a look.
Butter my biscuits.
Ooh, that looks really good.
It does.
It's like a nice golden brown on top.
I can't wait to see what the insides look like.
Me too. Yeah, I gotta definitely let this thing cool down for a second before I try it. All right, let's try this.
Oh, it cuts just like a cake.
It really did. It baked pretty good. Let's see.
Wow.
Look at that.
Kind of looks like a custard pie.
Little pumpkin dumpy.
Speaking of a dumpy.
That was actually really good. I was pleasantly surprised with this one.
Look at that, folks.
I recommend people for the fall season.